Hello. Today I wanted to talk about how to create a relation between two different animations or two different mates. So today I'm going to specifically talk about the gear relation option. What this does is it takes two revolute mates and it combines them so they can spin with each other. So to do this, first I created this object here. This is a set of pulleys, and I'll kind of show you. This is consists of four different parts. So this piece right here, this green piece, I just made a basic base and I put two cylinders in to serve as axles, and the pulleys will spin on the axles. Now you can do this as a different option where the axles are separate and the axles can do the spinning instead of the wheels themselves. But I figured for simplicity, this was the best way to go. And now what I have here is I have two different size pulleys. So I have a 4-inch diameter and a 1-inch diameter. So, and then I also created a belt. You don't have to create a belt for this to work. I just did this for the sake of realism, but it will work without the belt. And I'll show you in a second. Once these start moving, the belt doesn't even move. It just sits there. So it's just more for the look. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose gear. And all you have to do is select the two revolute mates, okay? And the order impacts what the relation ratio is. So I'll select 2 and then 1. And the relation ratio is basically, it indicates how fast one should spin as opposed to the other. And if you look up the mathematics of gear ratios or pulley ratios, you'll be able to figure this out. But basically the essence is, this is 4 inches, this is 1, 4 over 1, so the relation ratio is 4. Now, if I flipped it the other way, at least I'm pretty sure I have this correct, if I flipped it the other way and I click revolute 1 first, it would most likely be 0.25 or 1/4, okay, because I'd be flipping the equation around. So let me hit this check mark and let's see how it plays. So what I'll do is I'll grab my revolute 2 and animate it. And let's reciprocate it. And we'll look at it straight on just to see if it's playing right. Okay, so right now they're spinning opposite of each other, and they should spin with each other. So let's stop this, and I'm going to go back into the gear, and you can choose reverse direction and hit the green check mark. Sometimes this involves a little trial and error. Let's try it again. We'll leave it on reciprocate. There we go. So now, if I chose the other revolute, just to show you, animate. So now you notice, as the smaller one spins when it completes a full revolution, the bigger one is only turning a quarter turn. Whereas when I was animating revolute 2, when this was doing a full spin, this was doing 4 spins. It was moving kind of quick, but I'm sure if you go back and look, you'll notice. So if you look at the holes, see it's going back, stop, and now it'll go back and it'll only move to this hole. I put these holes here so you can see what a quarter turn look like. Stop, and then go back. Okay? And you can loop this as well. So if you wanted to keep it playing, you could. Okay? So hopefully that helps, and have a wonderful day.